The knife slipped, dinner ruined, guests staring in silence. I blamed myself, my skills, my cheap cookware's betrayal. Or so I thought. A secret lay concealed. Every cut fought the blade. Food resisted, ragged. My confidence bled away with every stubborn slice. Then a package arrived. White box, weight of promise. Inside, the Thomas Keller signature collection. Pristine, ominous, designed by a Michelin-starred chef, crafted by Cangshan masters. 3 knives, 1 angled acacia block, deceptively simple blades, forged from Swedish Demasteel, RWL34 powdered steel, ultra-fine grain, extraordinary edge strength, relentless corrosion resistance, full tang, bolster-free, perfect balance for a confident pinch. Every blade passed Ultra 6 heat treatment, hardened to 61 NSF certified, lifetime warranty. Trust that feels almost scandalous. I gripped the chef's knife. Silence turned electric. Thomas Keller's input shows in every calibrated curve. First slice, tomato parts like soft satin sheets. Bread, no struggle. Serrated utility tears crust like butter. Paring knife danced around garlic, precise, effortless, swift. The block sat proud, angled, saving space, exuding class. Cleaning was almost criminally easy. Warm water, quick dry. Edge retention felt unnatural. Days later, still razor sharp. Commercial kitchens nodded approvingly. Home cooks whispered jealousy. I challenged myself with tougher cuts. The knives answered. Balance allowed choreography. Chop, rock, slice, glide. Poetry. No bolster to obstruct sharpening. Maintenance finally satisfying. Patent pending. HUA block holds blades magnetically, quietly heroic. This isn't artifice, it's engineered culinary truth, delivered. If you crave precision, confidence, and heirloom durability, buy. Get the Cangshan Thomas Keller 4-piece set. Transform cooking. Honing isn't just for dull knives, it's preventive maintenance misconception. I'm a professional chef and knife care specialist. Many cooks damage blades with improper sharpening techniques. Inconsistent angles and poor tools shorten knife life significantly. You need a reliable, precise honing rod for maintenance. Use HOSHANHO 12-inch Japanese high-carbon steel honing rod. Vacuum heat treated steel reaches 62 HRC hardness for durability. Fine uniform micro grooves restore and straighten blade edges efficiently. Paca wood ergonomic handle fits the palm for comfortable control. Finger safety ferrule protects hands during vertical sharpening motion. 12 inches suits paring knives through large chef knives. Solid steel core and thickened 12mm shaft resist wear. Designed for restaurant kitchens, professional chefs, home cooks alike. Comes in an elegant classic gift box for special occasions. Watch a quick demonstration of consistent edge realignment. Hold rod vertical, maintain angle, draw blade gently along micro grooves, remove burrs and realign edge without heavy material removal. Our tests show faster, more repeatable sharpening than alternatives. Knives cut cleaner, safer, and retain edge longer. Professional butcher restored a chef's knife in under a minute. Less frequent full sharpening saves time and blade life. Diamond rods bite aggressively. HOSHANHO balances cutting and polish. Hone before each heavy use and after washing and drying. Avoid excessive pressure. Let geometry and micro grooves do work. Paca wood handle resists cracking and remains comfortable. Long-term polished guard and wood finish present beautifully for gifting. HOSHANHO offers precision, durability, ergonomics, and everyday practicality. Upgrade your kitchen tools. Experience sharper knives today. Order now. Trust a chef-tested tool that protects your investment. Click to buy or learn more about proper honing technique. Tired of dull knives? Restore razor-sharp edges in minutes. Imagine weekday dinners, slicing effortlessly like a professional chef. 3-stage 100% diamond system repairs, sharpens and polishes precisely. Preset 20-day angle guide holds blades steady, prevents overgrinding. Powerful high-torque motor ensures fast sharpening without overheating or slowing. 3 numbered slots, coarse, fine, and polish for repeatable results. Magnetic collector traps metal shavings, clean, mess-free countertop maintenance. Simple pull-through operation, perfect for seniors and first-time users. Safer and more consistent than manual pull-through sharpeners. Works with most non-serrated kitchen knives, chef santoku pairing included. Compact anti-slip base and heat-dissipating casing for stable operation. Gift-ready packaging makes it an easy, practical present. Restore dull blades in minutes. Cutting performance like new. Spend less time sharpening and more time cooking confidently. Try Diascali electric sharpener today. Precision edges, effortless results. My grandmother taught me love through slow, careful chopping. Those moments taught me the importance of a good knife. Enter the Klaus Meyer 15-piece set. Precision meets heart. Forged from German high-carbon steel for ultra-sharp, lasting edges. Each blade slices effortlessly, preserving texture, flavor, and memories. This complete 15-in-1 block handles every kitchen task. Chef's, bread carving, santoku, utility, pairing, all included. 6 steak knives, shears, and a solid wooden block. Full tank construction and heavy bolsters for balance and strength. Ergonomic ABS handles with surface concavity reduce hand fatigue. Non-slip grip keeps control steady even during long prep. Oil-hardened finish resists corrosion, keeping edges sharp longer. Care is simple, dishwasher safe or gentle hand wash. The satin finish blades look beautiful on any kitchen counter. Imagine carving the holiday roast with effortless, confident strokes. Family gathers, conversations flow, and cooking becomes soulful ritual for home cooks and professionals who treasure precision and comfort. This set makes a thoughtful, enduring gift for loved ones. Every cut feels reliable, a trusted partner at hand. Grant and Santoku reduces sticking, delivering clean, precise vegetable slices. An 8-inch chef's knife for all your daily needs. The carving knife transforms roasted meals into beautiful presentations. Solid wooden block stores safely, adding warmth to the kitchen. 10-year limited warranty backs durability, assuring long-term confidence. From quick weeknight dinners to celebratory feasts, it's dependable. I recommend Klaus Meyer to anyone who loves cooking deeply. Make every meal a gesture, precise, caring, and joyful. Order now and bring razor-sharp, heartfelt cooking into your home. Your kitchen deserves tools that honor time, taste, and tradition. Klaus Meyer, where craftsmanship meets love in every slice. Most people think sharpening destroys blades. That's a myth. I'm a kitchen tools specialist. Dull knives are dangerous and inefficient. Home sharpeners often unevenly remove metal, shortening blade life. Use the DALSTRONG Hornet sharpener for consistent, controlled sharpening. 3-stage grit system repairs, maintains, and polishes edges precisely. Number 180 coarse fixes chips, and a 400 maintains and 600 polishes to razor. Aluminum alloy base and ABS body ensure lasting, stable performance. Weighted design and silicone grips keep sharpener firmly in place. Refillable water reservoir flushes steel particles, preserving real life. Great for chefs, home cooks, fillet and serrated knife maintenance. I restored a dull chef's knife to paper slicing sharpness. Performance matches premium sharpeners, feel and results are professional. DALSTRONG offers lifetime warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. 3-stage precision, durable build, water-based cleaning, simple, safe sharpening. Try the Hornet sharpener risk-free and sharpen with power. If you are interested in purchasing it, click on the link in the description.